Welcome to this detailed guide about Meta's latest AI model Llama 4. In this video, we will explore its key features, advantages, limitations, how to use it, and how to run it locally using Llama. Let's get started. Meta Llama 4 is the fourth generation of Meta's large language models. What makes it unique is that it can understand and process not only text but also images and videos. This ability is called multimodality. Llama 4 comes in three versions: Scout, Maverick, and Behemoth. The Scout model supports an enormous context window of 10 million tokens. To put that in perspective, it can read the equivalent of 15 novels in one go. One of the biggest innovations in Llama 4 is its mixture of experts architecture. Instead of a single large neural network, it uses many smaller expert networks. These experts activate based on the task, making the model more efficient and powerful. For example, the Scout version has 17 billion active parameters and 109 billion total parameters. The Maverick version has 17 billion active parameters but 128 experts, totaling 400 billion parameters. Llama 4 supports over 200 languages with full support for at least 12 major languages like English, Arabic, French, and Spanish. It was trained on over 30 trillion tokens, more than twice the data used for Llama 3. This extensive training helps it perform well on many tasks. In terms of performance, Llama 4 Scout scores Joy 752 on the MMLU benchmark, which measures language understanding and costs only 26 cents per million tokens. This makes it both powerful and affordable compared to other models. However, Llama 4 is not without challenges. Some users report inconsistent results, especially compared to smaller models. It requires powerful hardware, including at least 48 gigabytes of GPU memory for the Scout model. There are also concerns about rushed development and weaker logical reasoning compared to competitors like GPT-4 Turbo. Additionally, users in the European Union may face restrictions due to regulatory reasons. Here is a quick comparison. Llama 4 Scout offers a massive 10 million token context window and supports multiple data types. GPT-4 Turbo has strong reasoning and coding skills but costs much more. Gemini 2.0 is also strong but has a smaller context window. Now, let's talk about how to use Llama 4. The easiest way is through Meta's official platforms. You can visit meta.ai, create an account, and start chatting with the model. It is also integrated into Meta's apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. If you are a developer, you can download Llama 4 from Hugging Face. There you will find the model weights and instructions for integration. For enterprise users, Llama 4 is available on platforms like Amazon Bedrock and Grok, which allow large-scale deployment. Llama 4 has many practical uses. You can build intelligent agents for customer support, analyze large documents or code bases, generate content in many languages, and use its image and video understanding for creative projects. To get started on meta.ai, simply visit the website, sign up, and begin chatting. You can type text or upload images to test its multimodal capabilities. So when you are logged into Meta AI, you will see this interface, which means you are ready to prompt it and create something better. Now I'm going to prompt it to create a task manager app. This is a simple prompt with a selection of canvases. When I entered this, it created something different, a kind of Google Sheet where I got instructions to create a task manager app, but not the code. Its main Llama's canvas is not like Google Gemini, Claude, Sonnet, or other AIs that can run code, so it needs improvement. However, if you ask it to write code, it will do so properly and in an organized manner, allowing you to copy that into your project and use it. This is very useful. Now, let's go and try its image generation and video animation features. I entered a prompt to create a majestic fantasy kingdom at sunset with glowing castles, flying dragons in the sky, and shimmering rivers, utilizing cinematic lighting and ultra detailed textures. When I entered this, it created outstanding four images at once, all looking and feeling amazing and satisfying. I don't have words to explain this, but I'm trying. Another feature of Llama Imagination is that you can select many templates. You can choose 3D or any style you want to create your image in. That's really great. I chose 3D and it really created a 3D view. The best feature of this image generation in Llama 4 is that you can select various orientations: 16 by 9 for landscape images, 9 by 16 for vertical, and 1 by 1 for square images. Different variations of images are used differently on various social media platforms, so you can create whatever you need. Now it's time to test its great feature of image to video generation. You upload an image and give a prompt for what you want to do with that image, and this AI will handle it. I tried it with the dog, prompting it to show the dog running with the ball. Initially it created an image, but when I clicked on animate, it created a video of the dog running with the ball. Although the animation was slightly off and not perfect as I expected, it can be improved with a better prompt, but I'm not going to do that right now. Now let's go and download this video, and I will try to improve it using its video editing feature. I started a new conversation and uploaded that video. When I uploaded it, I got redirected to another page where I saw lots of video templates to choose from. I thought my video would be converted to match this template. However, when the video uploaded and I chose a template, it created an unrecognizable video that resembled an old TV flickering with nothing displayed, experiencing a glitch. By the way, the video is not playing in the browser on Meta's website, it's embedded, and I don't know why, so I'm watching it by opening it in a new tab. As many people are creating videos, and you can see their creations displayed on the homepage. If you uploaded your photo and created something with this Meta AI, it will be public and anyone can see it. I didn't find an option for privacy for my photos or videos, whatever I am doing here. So it is better to see others' prompts and how they are creating amazing and cool stuff. You can explore this Meta AI, which has many features, and you will discover those when you open it. This is all about this video, and I hope you find it informative and valuable. If you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you would like me to do with this Meta AI. You could suggest creating a YouTube channel where I post animated videos with stories and great combinations of audio. If you share your ideas with me, I will definitely work on them and keep you updated on my progress.